Election period iginasa. Now, who should be allowed to run for public office? Lahat ba? Kahit sino? Well, ayon sa batas, almost every able-bodied literate Filipino can run for local and national office. Pero, who should be elected into public office? I mean, everyone can run. Pero, sino ang nararapat sa mga posisyon sa lokal at nasyonal na paghihirang? Ikinisa na ang election period dito sa Pilipinas for the 2025 midterm elections kung saan lahat ng seats sa House of Representatives at local government ay up for grabs at kalahati ng Senado. So 18,271 local at national positions are up for grabs para sa eleksyong ito. Ang dami. But let's see how many people actually get in on the democratic political system ng bansa. Ano nga ba ang mas mainam? The devil you know or the angel you don't? Ang pagbabago o status quo? Probinsya, lungsod at mga munisipalidad, lahat ng posisyon na ito ay up for grabs, maliban sa barangay. Which is kind of weird. Bakit hindi na lang sinaway, diba? Pero again, ayaw na nilang i-delay pa yung barangay election. So, na my first time voting was actually sa barangay elections and it's blah. I mean, like, I'm supposed to know all these names kasi nasa komunidad ko sila, but I only know half of them. Tapos sa SK, parang wala akong nakilala. Wala akong kilala. Now, as of the writing of this episode, nag-issue ang Supreme Court ng 19 pang temporary restraining orders sa disqualification cases na kanilang ikinakaharap o pagdedeklara sa kanilang nuisance candidate. Now, one of the more high-profile cases of the disqualification saga is Edgar Erice, former representative of the 2nd District of Caloocan City na gustong bumalik sa kanyang pwesto but was disqualified by Comelec Anbang dahil sa kanyang pagbubuska daw ng fake news patungkol sa kinontrata ng Comelec na automated voting machine, Gamiro Systems. Now, I have already, talked about that particular lawsuit. Pero, the Comelec has kind of had their sights on the fact na he's spewing quote-unquote lies. Now, it is also quite interesting kasi
I'm still filing kasi yan yung process. I cannot file directly to the Supreme Court if I will not be exhausting all my remedies. Diba? So I have to file an MR. Si Chairman George nag-inhibit na siya kasi yung kalaban ko, kaibigan niya. Dikit na dikit sila. Diba? So,
it is also quite an